Imagine struggling to open a jar or feeling confusion mid-sentence. Those might seem like normal signs of aging, but what if they're actually signs of starvation? We've been led to believe that long life means eating bland food. The truth is, you can thrive without tasteless diets. By the end of this video, you'll discover 3 vital elements to fuel your body, rebalance your muscles, and protect your brain. After age 50, your body struggles to rebuild muscles. You lose muscle faster than you can regain it. Chronic inflammation worsens this problem. It affects how your body functions, including blood flow to your brain. If left unaddressed, you may find yourself in serious trouble. Let's dive into the first engine, your muscles. You may need more protein as you age. Eggs are the secret. Contrary to outdated beliefs, they don't significantly raise cholesterol levels. They are a high-quality protein source. You should also consider low-fat dairy, lean meats, and fish. These sources are essential not only for strength, but also for independence. But be careful. Too much saturated fat can hinder your progress. While protein is vital, consuming it with unhealthy fats will lead to problems. Remember, your brain needs good blood flow to work efficiently. Now let's explore the second engine, your heart and brain. Both need omega-3 fatty acids for optimal function. These are found in fish like salmon and trout. Consuming them twice a week reduces the risk of heart disease and inflammation. To enhance their effects, include colorful antioxidants such as blueberries and spinach. They help to combat the harmful effects of aging. For most adults, aiming for around 100 calories daily helps fuel your body without over-consuming. Now, take a moment to check your health. Press your fingernail until it's white. If it takes longer than 2 seconds to return to normal, that's a warning sign. Your blood circulation might be compromised. This next part is crucial. Let's talk about bones and vitamin D. You can eat plenty of calcium, but it won't help without vitamin D. This nutrient allows your gut to absorb calcium effectively. Unfortunately, natural food sources of vitamin D are scarce. You need fortified foods or sunlight for adequate intake. Don't forget about vitamin B12, essential for brain health. Now, let's assemble the synergy plate. It consists of grilled salmon, scrambled eggs, spinach with walnuts and yogurt. This combination supports your heart, rebuilds muscles, strengthens bones, and reduces inflammation. Remember, it's not about eating less. It's about eating intelligently. The synergy of these foods adds life to your years. Changing your diet is challenging, but you're not alone. If you're ready to take control of your health, comment longevity below. I'll reply with a free cheat sheet of the top foods to keep handy. Now that you've learned how to rebuild your body, it's time to uncover the hidden enemies lurking in your pantry that might be hurting your joints and gut. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on important information. See you in the next video. Imagine entering your kitchen and looking around, pondering your choices. This moment may serve as a wake-up call. Surrounded by food, yet many of the items do more harm than good. Common pantry staples could unknowingly sabotage your efforts to maintain a healthy body. What if that bag of chips or sugary snack has been quietly impacting your joints and gut health? The truth is that many processed foods can lead to inflammation and discomfort, particularly as your body ages. Many people overlook the dangers of trans fats, which are often hidden in baked goods and fried foods. These fats can wreak havoc on your body, raising bad cholesterol while lowering the good kind. Additionally, the consumption of refined sugars in soft drinks, candies, and many of our convenient snacks can intensify inflammation and energy crashes, leaving you feeling sluggish and irritable. Their presence can be deceptive, masked behind appealing packaging and health claims, but the truth lies in the ingredients. Exploring alternatives can be a rewarding venture that not only satisfies your cravings but promotes overall well-being. Gradually replacing these offenders with whole foods will lead to significant improvements in your health. Start with fresh fruits, whole grains and healthy fats like avocados and olive oil to nourish your body effectively. Now that you've become aware of the hidden dangers, let's dive deeper into the foods that can truly support your health journey. Consider swapping out your usual snacks for nutrient-dense options that not only satiate your cravings but also provide essential vitamins and minerals. For instance, instead of reaching for potato chips, why not try air-popped popcorn seasoned with a touch of olive oil and herbs? This delicious alternative offers fiber and can promote digestion while keeping you satisfied. Consider incorporating homemade trail mix with nuts and dried fruit to give you energy without the crash. Discovering these wholesome alternatives can transform your pantry into a haven of health, empowering you to eat consciously. Remember, it's not just about cutting out the bad, it's about embracing the good, leading to a balanced approach that enhances your overall well-being. The benefits of these changes may unfold gradually, but the long-term positive impact will be undeniable as you provide your body with the love and nourishment it truly deserves. Beware of hidden sugars lurking in seemingly healthy products. Many granola bars, yogurt, and even low-fat options are packed with added sugars, which may seem harmless, but contribute to inflammation and impair your gut health. Instead, choose plain Greek yogurt and add your favorite fruits for natural sweetness, or soak oats overnight with nuts and seeds for a nutritious morning boost. By being mindful of these choices, you not only cut down on unnecessary sugars, but also equip your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. Each small adjustment creates a ripple effect, paving the way for improved health and vitality as you age. Next, let's focus on the importance of hydration in your life. Water plays a crucial role in maintaining joint health and supporting digestion, yet many overlook its significance. Aim to drink at least half your body weight in ounces of water daily, as it helps lubricate your joints and optimizes nutrient transport throughout your body. Now that we've discussed the importance of hydration, let's turn our attention to the role of fiber in your diet. Fiber is essential for gut health, promoting regularity and preventing constipation. It can be found in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Incorporating high-fiber foods, such as lentils and chia seeds, can make a significant difference in your digestive health. These foods not only support a healthy gut, but also help you feel full longer, which can aid in weight management. By prioritizing fiber alongside hydration, you can create a powerful foundation for your overall well-being. Now let's address how to organize your pantry for maximum effectiveness. Start by placing healthy options at eye level, making them the first things you see when you open the door. By taking these simple steps to revamp your pantry and dietary choices, you empower yourself to embrace a healthier lifestyle that not only mitigates the pitfalls of aging, but also brings vitality and joy in every bite. Remember, the journey to wellness begins with small, consistent changes. Subscribe and like Health 101 Hub.